Hi, everybody. It's Deborah from workathomеonlineforfree.com. Thanks so much for tuning in and watching my video today. Today's video is called How to Get Your Website Ready for Search Engines. I'm going to give you a ton of information in today's video that's going to help you with this. I'm going to give you access to a training where we're going to talk about what is search engine optimization, or SEO. What is it? Just kind of a brief explanation if you're not familiar with this. I'm also going to give you a link to professional training from the company that taught me how to be a full-time affiliate marketer and what they taught me about search engine optimization. I'm also going to give you a link to the training where they show you step by step how to get your WordPress website ready for search engines. You're actually going to look over the guy's shoulder. It's a free training. He's going to walk you through step by step how to get your WordPress website ready for search engines. I'm also going to give you access to a training that I did that covers all of the steps that I personally do for each and every blog post to get me ranked on the first page of Google. And I'm also going to give you a link for my video, exact steps for getting ranked in Google. And lastly, I'm going to give you a link to get a ton more free training all about making money online. So I've got a lot of information for you today. And again, thanks so much for tuning in and watching my video. Let's go ahead and get into it. Now, the first link I'm going to give you in the description box of today's video is for this training. This is by a company called Wealthy Affiliate. If you've been here before, you've heard me talk about them. These are the people that taught me how to be a full-time affiliate marketer. I have been a full-time affiliate marketer since 2015, and it's a direct result of the training that I got from Wealthy Affiliate, and it is free to start. I'm going to give you a link. I'm going to give you a link to that in the description box. One of the trainings that you can get for free is this one, and it's called Getting Your Site Ready for Search Engines. And this is where they go through step by step. They talk about search engine optimization. They tell you what it is. They tell you why it's important for your website, because if you don't know how to do search engine optimization, and if you're not making your website appealing to search engines like Bing and Google and Yahoo, then your website is not going to be found, and you're not going to get any traffic, and you're not going to make any money. So they talk about that. And then there's a video within this training. It's a step-by-step video by Kyle, who is one of the owners of Wealthy Affiliate, where he walks you through within the dashboard of your WordPress website to show you how to get your WordPress website ready for search engines. So I'm going to give you the link to this training in the description box. Now, I'm also going to give you a link to a training that I did for Wealthy Affiliate called Checklist for a Blog Post. This has a printable list in it where you can actually go through all of the steps that I personally do for each and every blog post to make sure that it gets ranked in Google. These are the steps for search engine optimization to make your website compatible with search engines, so that when people type things into Google regarding the topic that your website is about, people will find you. Okay, that's what it's all about. Like I said, this is a printable checklist. It's step by step. It's each of the things that I personally do for each and every blog post to make sure that I get ranked in Google. I'm also going to give you a link to my video, exact steps for getting ranked in Google, where I go through this checklist step by step. I'm going to talk to you about it. I'm going to show you what I do, and I'm going to show you the reasons why we do it. So this is just a short video today. I just wanted to give you access to this information. If you have a brand new blog, or if you have a brand new website, or if you have had your blog or your website for a while and you're just not getting any traffic, you're doing the smart thing by checking into search engine optimization and getting your website and your blog compatible with search engines. It's very smart. So again, go in the description box of the video. You're going to be able to get a link to this training. You're going to be able to get a link for the free starter program with Wealthy Affiliate. They have 20 free classes just like this one, all about making money online. It's step-by-step video classes that you can get for free. And I'm going to give you a link to my training, that printable list for checklist for things to do to get your blog post ranked. And I'm also going to give you a link to my video about that. So I hope that this has given you some help. Enjoy the training. I would love it if you would come back and tell me, what did you think about the training at Wealthy Affiliate? And I'd also like to know, did you already know about some of this stuff, or is this all brand new to you? Tell me where you are. Do you have a brand new blog? Do you have a brand new website? Have you been doing this for a while? And you're just looking to get more traffic? I'd really like to know where you're at, and I'm happy to help you if I can. So again, thanks so much for tuning in and watching my video today. There's links that for everything in the description box. Also, please give this video a like if it was helpful to you. I would appreciate that. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you're not already. I do a video about once a week all about making money online. And in the description box, there's a link to go ahead and subscribe to my email list if you would like. If you're subscribed there, about once a week, you'll get a blog post or an article or a video or a full-blown tutorial all about making money online. So again, thanks so much for visiting. My name is Deborah, and my website is workathomeonlineforfree.com. Link in the description box. Thanks again. Bye-bye.